When you land at the airport, you're going to want to follow the signs that will take you to the Metro light rail. If you get a little turned around, don't get on a train to another part of Spain. Just ask and someone will point you in the right direction. And then if you'll take the train to Trinidad. And when you take that train to Trinidad, when you get off that train, it's just going to dump you into downtown central Porto. And it was only about I think it was about a 15 or 20 minute train ride. When you get off the train, you're going to walk out of the station and it is just going to dump you into city central of Porto. And from there, you can put your address in your GPS and just walk to wherever you're staying. Of course, I had to stop in the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. Good morning. It's my first morning here, waking up in Porto, and today is my first day on the Camino Portuguese. Not sure how far I'm going to do. I'm just going to walk and then figure it out from there. I can always catch a ride and head in somewhere for a night to stay. So I'm just going to play it by ear today. I am tired from traveling overnight, and I was busy doing last minute things and of course seeing sights yesterday. But I wanted to make sure that I showed you my room before I check out. I stayed at the Rivoli Cinema Hostel last night, and they do have private rooms. It's shared bathrooms and showers. And I just finished having breakfast that was included with my stay. But let me show you my room really quick. I was in room number 24. It's set up with 2 twin beds, and then they pushed them together. But you just have wardrobe. There is a safe in there. It's just basic accommodations. Noisy on the street, but they do have these double doors that close. So once I closed them, I didn't hear anything. And then this is my view off my little balcony. Not in Kansas anymore, Toto.